Hi everyone, it's Mr. Alden here, and I'm just going to take Mac users through how they can get their school email set up in Outlook on the desktop of their Mac so that they can use their emailing to email their classmates or their teachers nice and easy on the desktop. So first of all, if you don't have the app, you can get it from two places. You can either get it from the Apple Store, and at the moment Office 365 is on the dash of that. Alternatively, we can just search for Office 365 and we want to be downloading Outlook, and there it is there. The other way we can go about it is through Compass, and if we're clicking on the star and Office 365 and signing in there, we can just click on Install Office, and we can either choose just Outlook or we can get all of the Office 365 apps. Now, of course, we can just come here on any device to use Outlook, but to optimize our experience with emails, to be able to do them more effectively and to add larger attachments and things like that, it is better to use the desktop version. So once we've got the desktop version, it's going to look something like this. And the way that we actually add our account is by clicking on the bold Outlook on the top left of our screen, going to Preferences, and then Accounts. Once we're in Accounts, we might already have a few there, and we're going to hit the plus, which is down the bottom of that window, New Account. And once we've done that, we simply put in our school credentials, which of course is our student code at kwrsc.vic.edu.au. And then our password is, of course, our date of birth, same as Compass, unless we change that. Perfect. And once we've got that one in, if we hit done, we can actually rename that. So we don't want our account description to be our email address. We might name it something like school email. Okay, or it could even be KWRSC. Completely up to you. But once you've done that, we can close that up. Okay, and there we have it there on the left. We've got that inbox added. We'll get alerts for emails as they come in, and that makes it nice and easy for us. Thanks for watching.